Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule, which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for ob, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, we solve the simplify roots orders. Find the value of root 36 and cube root of 216. Now first we solve root 36 equals to 6 and cube root of 216 is equals to 6. According to this step, roots fall under O order, which must be solved early to simplify the numbers inside the brackets. And now the current expression becomes 90 divided by 5 plus square bracket 6 minus 2 square bracket of plus 6. Move to the next step. According to next step, we solve the brackets. Now we subtract 6 minus 2. Inside the square bracket, 6 minus 2 equals to 4. According to this step, B, brackets have the highest priority in BODMAS. And now the new expression becomes 90 divided by 5 plus 4 plus 6. Move to next step, perform division. Now divide the values. 90 divided by 5. 90 divided by 5 will get 18. According to this step, division D comes before addition in the rule hierarchy. And now the current expression becomes 18 plus 4 plus 6. Move to next step, perform addition. Add all the remaining numbers together from left to right. So now 18 plus 4 plus 6 and result become 28. Addition is the final operation left to perform, and now 28 is the final result. So now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the final simplified value for this expression is 28. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.